I'd smooth that. I'd smooth that. I'd smooth that. I'd smooth that. Smooth, smooth. I'd smooth that. Smooth, smooth, smooth. I'd smooth that. Smooth, smooth, smooth. I'd smooth that. Smooth, smooth, smooth. I'd smooth that. It's the I would spoof that dude. Hey, I got something for you. Something really special. Come with me. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. You gotta check out this. Down here now. Hey, this thing right here, it stops doors. It was like the best invention made. I actually don't know who made it, but whoever made this thing up is a genius. Because it stops doors and... Doesn't it sound like a fart? Look. It sounds crazier this way if you do it down. Or look at this way. Okay, now everybody at home, you guys try it. And if you want to, you could put a video response to this video. But, yeah, I want to see how you guys could make these wonderful, beautiful sounds of the glorious doorstopper. I'd smooth that. I'd smooth that. I'd smooth that. I'd smooth that. Smooth, smooth. I'd smooth that. Smooth, smooth, smooth. I'd smooth that. Smooth, smooth, smooth. I'd smooth that. Smooth, smooth, smooth. I'd smooth that.